Hindi ito tempura. Taon-taon yung mga members ng Karakuri Creations Group nakakatanggap sila ng surprise na secret box. Included dun sa membership nila. And for last year, December 2024, ito yung natanggap namin. This is called the GIF secret box, and this is created by Karakuri Creations Group nga, diba? And this is handmade in Japan. Upon closer look, makikita nyo na very well made to. And seamless yung pagkakagawa niya. Very smooth. Galing yung craftsmanship nila talaga, no? And yung moving part na to, actually, is yung takip lang ng GIF, which is parang meron siyang coin insert sa mga alkansya, pero nakasarado talaga siya, sealed siya. So, the question right now is how to open the secret box. No? It took us a while, pero we're going to share it with you. So first, mapapansin nyo, dito sa gilid, parang kalahati nun may pattern, no? So, open natin yan, as you can see, and then, ibukan natin siya. And likewise, ganun rin gagawin natin sa kabila. Ayan. Pag na-open mo na yan, i-reverse mo yung mga panels na yan sa sides. So, mag-iiba or magkakaroon ng pattern yung sides ng box, as you can see. So, sides may pattern na, sa ilalim may pattern na. So, kulang na lang is yung top. So, pag pinuksan mo tong takip na to, and you will see that there is a pattern dun sa ilalim ng takip. So, reverse this. Pag nagawa mo yan, press up, and gently mong mahanap at mabubuksan yung secret compartment. Kung ano ilalagay mo dyan sa secret compartment, ikaw na bahala. Ganun kaliit eh. Yun lang.